Hi everybody, Jason.Fairchild with Guaranty RV. Thanks for taking the time to check out our website. Today we're going to go over a 2018 Jayco Whitehawk 24 MBH. We're going to start off going over the interior and we'll finish off going over the exterior. Follow me inside. I am very fond of this floor plan. It allows you to stay short and get a couch and a dinette instead of just having one or the other. So what we've got here is we've got a Murphy bed in the front. So it's super easy to go up and down. So I hope you can see how easy that is. When you're wanting to put it up, that's really all you need to do is pin it up. And then you've got your couch for hanging out, entertaining, watching TV, having friends over. When it's time to make it back down into the bed, do your jackknife, pull the pin, and lower it down. It's really that simple. Got some bedding over here. Here's your bolsters for the couch when it's in the lower down position. Really simple, easy, and very convenient to have the bed and the couch plus the dinette. So the dinette is made down right now. We actually just got this trailer in. So this is a freestanding table. This is the way you would travel with it, lowered down, but it raises up and turns into a standard size table for eating. Also another place to sleep here as well. TV, entertainment center in the back here. So this will do obviously AM, FM, CD. It also does DVDs. You can plug in USB, you can do Bluetooth. You can pretty much do anything with this setup here that you want to do these days. Across from the entertainment and the dinette slash couch, you have your kitchen, 3-burner stove, stainless steel setup here. It's kind of nice. Got your oven, your microwave, your hood, double sink, nice faucet. You've got your cabinets up top with nice glass inlays. They look very pretty. You've got your drawers here, and then the Norcold refrigerator, which I am especially fond of. Easy to open and close. Nice deep well up in the freezer. If anything does thaw out, it keeps it from spilling all over the place. You've got a nice skylight in this trailer. This trailer has a ton of light in it for how small it is. So if you just pan around and show, you've got a big window in the front, so that lets a ton of light in. Okay. We've got a vent above the bed, a huge skylight above the kitchen and our AC, and then another vent here with a fantastic fan. So in addition to all the windows wrapping around it, so a lot of light comes in this trailer. It really helps open it up. Got some storage here. This is a removable shelf with a hanging rod, so you could use this for additional hanging space. The ducts are in the wall, not in the floor, so that's fantastic. Here we've got storage under your bunk. There's really great use of that space there. Nice bunks. And then a fantastic bathroom here. So we've got the glass shower enclosure here. So plenty of room here, plenty of headroom, plenty of elbow room. Good storage here. Toilet with lots of room for your knees. And then a sink with a medicine cabinet. So this trailer's really got it all, and it's got it all in a small package. Like I said, I'm really fond of it. Let's go over the exterior features. As we come out, the first thing we notice is just a large grab handle, and it's always nice to have that. We do have our potable water fill over on the passenger side, our water heater, our furnace exhaust. This does get hot, so let the kids know, don't touch that, it can burn. 110 here, cable satellite here. We've got a hookup for a TV. This is the back of the refrigerator. And here we've got our outside kitchen, probably one of the most popular features on a trailer like this. So we do have a little pink material in here. That is from the winterization fluid. Nothing to be concerned about. We winterize all our trailers to protect them. 2-burner stove here. And a fridge. We do have manual stabilizers. I suggest getting if you have a drill, just get a socket that'll fit that, and that'll lower it and raise it real quickly. We've got a full-size bumper here, place to store your sewer hose. This actually swings out, and you mount a barbecue on this. Pretty cool feature. There's actually a quick connection. Where's it hiding? Oh, there it is. I couldn't see it from that angle. It's right here. And that ties into the barbecue, so you don't have to bring extra propane. You can run off the propane you already have on the trailer, which makes a lot of sense. Okay. Full-size spare tire with the cover, LED lights. Trailer is pre-wired for a backup camera. Ladder for getting on the roof. This trailer also comes with two ways to dump. It has the SantaCon, which is a macerator. It grinds up any waste and will pump it uphill, so it's great as far as that's concerned. It doesn't work with gravity though, and you still do have the option of using your gravity dump. Sometimes this smaller hose can get impacted, so it's nice to have another option in case that does happen. And that's locked in here and operates through there. Got your cable and satellite input there. This is your main power connection. The cord is in the trailer. It'll connect here, 30 amp. Outside, hot and cold shower right here. This is your black tank flush, great for cleaning it out after you've dumped your tanks. Then you can flush it out with this, make sure you got any remaining residue out. This is if you're staying in a park. You'll tie your city water in, or tie your water hose into the city water through here. As we step around the slide, we can see an enormous opening. I love this about the trailer. Most trailers don't have an opening in the bay door this big. It's great for getting large items. You could even get a small portable generator in there with something this size of an opening. It's great. Trailer's really light. You're 7350 fully loaded, and dry you're going to be right about 6. So real light trailer, good for smaller vehicles, SUVs, half tons. So if you have any questions or concerns, please give me a call. My name is Jason.Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thanks for taking the time to check out our website, guys. Have a great day.